Just after being issued 8.5 million shares, Mudrick Capital immediately sold off the whole 8.5 million shares and probably made up to $40 million. And the reason for that is that it's overvalued. So that's what we're hearing right now. Mudrick Capital helped AMC raise to $230.5 million and has, in less than how many, not even in a few weeks, in a few days, it has sold everything. So I'm not complaining. It is, you definitely must have heard that. The important thing that is that AMC has been able to raise some money. This is against the assertion that, or rather, some certain analysts were saying that they won't be able to raise anything. We pointed out that you made a video concerning that, talking about their headline headwinds in the form of their $5.5 billion debt and all that stuff. So they are raising funds, but Mudrick Capital is spooked, and they couldn't stay long, and they've cashed in on it, So all in all, I think Mudrick Capital is they saw an opportunity and they got involved, and they didn't want to hang around easily and to see what's going to happen, but they made their money and all that, So you see here the disclosure to that. This is the disclosure to that effect. You see the description. You see it in the description box below. The link to that. So it says AMC Entertainment Holdings raises $230.5 million of new equity from Mudrick Capital. So some dilution has occurred. You can see now the further disclosure, and this is the risk factors. You can see it says here prices are trading. The market price and trading volume of our shares, of our Class A common shares, recently experienced and may continue to experience this extreme volatility, which could cause purchasers of Class A common stock to incur substantial losses. So this is what some of the things they're pointing out there. There's a lot of them, but we're not going to read out everything. There's been significant dilution and may continue to be an additional future dilution of our Class A common stock, which could adversely affect the market price of our Class A common stock. The risk factors of future dilution must be weighed against the risk of falling or failing to increase our authorized shares, which could adversely affect the market price of our shares and our shares of our Class A common stock. So a short squeeze due to a sudden increase in demand for our shares of our Class A common stock that largely exceeds supply and or focused investor trading in anticipation of a potential short squeeze have led to many to be currently leading to, and could again lead to, extreme price volatility in our Class A common stock. So information available in public media that is published by third parties, including blogs, articles, online forums, message boards, and social media and other media, may include statements not attributed to the company and may not be liable, and we may not be liable or may not be reliable or accurate. So future offerings of debts, which could be a senior or Class A common stock upon liquidation, and or preferred equity securities, which may be senior or Class A common stock for purposes of distributions or upon liquidation, could adversely affect the market price of our Class A common stock. So definitely you'll find the link to all of these in the description box below. So what is certain is that as at the mid-March, according to various reports, AMC and GME were the most shorted of stocks, so there's a good chance that this short squeeze will continue. The short squeeze on AMC, there's a good chance it's going to continue. So we'll see how things go. You can see it as extended by its extension is what it closed up. How much is it? Closed up about 22%, I think, during this last session. So all in all, it's there. Mudrick Capital took advantage of all that's going on. Afraid that the stock is going to is overvalued and sold. So the important thing is that it's helping. It has done what it has to. It has done what it has to do to help AMC. So, but also we also have to point out that this $230 million is going to be used for theaters mostly. That's what they disclosed. So we're not seeing online or digital enhancements and all that stuff. So all of these, the lack of this digital presence will definitely mean that more and more short sellers might get involved to sell the stock. They will be betting against AMC. They will be asserting that AMC has to be going more in the digital direction. That is where the entertainment is. That's now a lot of stuff. So there is the skepticism. The skepticism is there. It's stacked up against those who are, it's there. The skepticism is there, and I don't think the interest in AMC is going to disappear. As far as the short sellers are there, you are definitely going to be there. So because definitely it's not about all that AMC is doing. The fundamental thing that is driving people to there is because of the short sales, the short interests. It's money is locked up into in the shares, so it keeps on attracting people. So definitely, for sure, people are going to continue to pursue AMC to get their own share of the short squeeze. So the squeeze, it will be there, I believe, and more people will continue to pursue to see what they can make out of it. So the Mudrick Capital, just like every other a lot of people now, they've made their own money, and this is what's going on right now. So I just felt that I had to update you and all that stuff. So thank you very much for watching this video.